We knock out any just kind of initial stuff that might arise. This is just kind of a protection for our compressor, and that's kind of a key part of our system. Is what we take from this really low pressure gas that's in a vapor phase, and we elevate it up to. In this system, we go to from like 5 ounces of pressure to 150 pounds of pressure. So,
Which is what liquidates it?
so that's part of it. And what our systems do is they use a combination of pressure and temperature drop to get to that dew point. And that's where we condense, just like you find blades of grass in the morning.
Yeah.
Or water on the blades of grass. They're doing the exact same thing, creating that liquid droplet mist. We've got a little bit more of the compression package here as far as we use kind of screw compression for that, just because other types of compression are a little bit more fickle, a little more fickle and sensitive to vapor, mist, and whatnot. These are pretty robust. And then all of this equipment here is just to kind of handle that compression phase. So we've got our oil loop, oil gas separator, oil cooling. And this just monitors, makes sure we've got the proper compression and everything we need kind of across any environment. Hence the fans here and kind of what we have for this, and all this heat trace. This system's designed to go to North Dakota, so it can get pretty hot and get really cold, which gives us design problems on either end of that spectrum. We have to be able to handle high ambient, so we have to have a big enough oil cooler to get rid of all the heated compression in the summer, but then in the winter it gets really cold. We also have to maintain a certain amount of temperature at the inlet of our compressor, because if it comes at us, we increase that pressure. We don't want it to be cold, or oil too cold, to where we're making natural gas liquids in this guy, because then that'll thin out our oil, will ruin our equipment. So we've got to balance. That's kind of the key to what we do, is all the actual electrical control is balancing temperature, controlling for a wide range of ambience. This system is fitted kind of with a kit to do that low temp and warm temp, where we'll actually control the oil temp externally through electric heat as well.